In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Expressvpn on your Apple iPhone seamlessly and effectively. Let's dive right in and ensure you have a secure, quick, and private internet experience with your VPN setup. To start, you'll first want to head over to the Expressvpn website. It's known for its speed and privacy benefits in 2025, making it one of the best choices for VPN services today. If you haven't visited it before, simply open your preferred web browser on your iPhone and type in Expressvpn. This platform offers a great user experience designed to help you navigate effortlessly. Once there, look for the My Account section at the top of the web page. Clicking here will lead you into the portal where you can access your account details. If you're not already registered or logged in, you will then need to proceed by clicking on the Sign In option. This action will require your credentials, so make sure you have your username and password ready. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up first, and don't worry, the process is straightforward. Next, you will arrive at your Expressvpn dashboard. This is a central hub where you can manage various aspects of your VPN service. From here, click on Set up your devices. This is a critical step as it allows you to configure and prepare the VPN on the specific devices you are using. In our case, that's your Apple iPhone. After selecting to set up your devices, you'll see various platforms and devices you can install Expressvpn on. Scroll down or navigate until you find the option for iOS. iOS is the operating system that powers your iPhone, and selecting this ensures you download the correct version of the app tailored for Apple devices. Once you click on iOS, follow the subsequent instructions provided by Expressvpn to download the app to your iPhone if it isn't already installed. Generally, this involves visiting the App Store and searching for the Expressvpn app, ensuring you download the official application from Expressvpn for security purposes. Install it, and once the app is on your device, open it to begin using your VPN. This setup process will provide you with a more private and secure browsing experience right from your iPhone, blocking unwanted tracking and allowing for unrestricted internet access. Remember, using a VPN not only enhances your privacy, but can also improve your connection's reliability and speed by optimizing network settings. By following these steps, you are now set up and ready to use Expressvpn on your Apple iPhone. Enjoy safe and private browsing wherever you go.